This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So I know you have been all waiting for a new video, and it's been a long time I have not put any video in my channel. So it's because I have tried to make new videos, but due to YouTube stuff I was not able to upload videos, and I didn't get time. So today I have come to this channel with a banger for you all. So this video is only for education purpose only. I don't support any YouTube tricks or free games or illegal activities. So this video is basically an education purpose only. So let's get to the video. Okay, so first of all you have to open your Chrome. Here you can see the Steam DB. Just type this in your search, go to here, and here you can see the game details. You will understand what I'm talking about from my title. Okay, so first go to your go to your search, type Steam tool, and here you can see the first link. Click on it, and you can see it in a Chinese. Just translate. I will translate it for you. So you can click this one, get it now, and click the first one. Okay, so it will start to download for you, because I have already downloaded this file and installed, and here you can see this is the stuff I'm talking about. It's a widget for Steam, so that you can easily launch and exit from Steam. So after downloading this, you have to go to this website and search for the game. I will show you from my main Steam. So I will download a game named Car Mechanic Simulator. It's you can see the price. Okay, so I'm gonna install this game, Car Mechanic Simulator. So you have to do one thing, is that just copy the name and paste the name here, the search, and you can see the first link. So click on it, and after that you have to copy the app ID. After that, go to the website name SUBSCIBE. I will give the link and all in my comment section or in my description. Okay, so just click on the first link, and it will say all the stuff. Just paste your link in the search and press submit. Okay, so it will go to a website like this. So you have to wait a bit. Okay, click I'm not robot, and click here to continue, and close the other website which is opening up. To click to verify, close once again, and you have to wait for an 8 second here. After that, just scroll down. Here you can see continue, and continue once again, and generate link, and close the website opening up, and wait one more for 8 seconds. After that, go to URL, and here you can see you have to wait for 10 seconds. After that, go to down. Here you can see get link. Close it, get link, and close it once again. Okay, so you can see the game has been downloaded. This is the game file. After that, go to your downloads. Here you can see this one, extract. Click extract 19 and all. You can see the file has been extracted. So just do one thing, just copy the first two files. Don't copy readme.txt. okay, leave that and copy these two and drag it and paste it on the Steam. Okay, so after pasting it, just restart stream by right clicking on the Steam button. Okay, by right clicking it will show the restart stream like this. So restart it, and it will open up once again, and go to your library. Here you can see the game has been loaded. It will be showing like this, and just click install so that you can download. Yeah, here you can see, just click install, it will start to install. Okay, so that's how you do it. This video is purely for education purpose only, guys. And this is how you install it. Just install it, it will automatically get start to install. I have already installed because I tried to make a video about FIFA, but due to EA account and issues, I have to remake this video. That's the reason why I have already installed this. Sorry, but this is 100% working stuff, because I will show after in like what is happening with the EA account and all. So I will show you by playing the game. Just wait a few seconds, okay? Here you can see the game has been loaded. Okay, once again I will load the audio for you. Okay, showing loading. Okay, you can see the game has been loaded. So that's how I'll show by put the name like normal, accept. This is ultra smooth and all. So guys, this is how you install from Steam by paying the money. Okay, once again I'm saying this video is only for education purpose. I didn't mean to do this stuff, but I just want to help you all. This is how you do it. So guys, if you love this video, please subscribe and like my channel, okay, and show some love. Share this video to everyone. Bye bye, have a great time.